What up, fellerinos? Today we are making a simple wrap that's gonna taste absolutely amazing. Got this baba ganoush. The recipe is in the description if you want to check it out. This is homemade. It's basically an eggplant dip, very rich in garlic sauce and eggplant. And spread that over our bread like so. Another plug, this is Turkish onion salad. This recipe is in my video as well. It's also going to be in the description. What are we going to put in this? Chicken, pickles. Holy shit, this video is going to be a massive plug. I've made 2 types of pickles on this channel and we're going to use both of them in this. We have a cucumber pickle and a red onion pickle. We're going to add those into this, followed by our chicken and Bob's your auntie. Alright guys, we got everything ready here. We got our chicken, which I've roasted in the oven. That's another recipe. We've got our pickled red onions. That's another recipe. And our pickled cucumbers. That's another recipe. The only thing on this chopping board and on my plate here that I didn't make is the bread, which is Lebanese bread. So here we go. We've chopped our cucumbers, pickled cucumbers and pickled onions in. We've got our chicken. I'm just going to add that in as well. And that's basically it, eh? What an easy wrap to wrap up the video. This is taking me back to the kebab shop days. We used to shred heaps of foils like this. 1 foil each for each kebab we sold. We used to sell hundreds daily. That's right. Check my kebab wrapping skills. I wrap one side. Well, I'd pack that in my kid's lunchbox. Oh, that's actually really good. This is the first time, obviously, I've ever made anything like this. I've just completely put together all the ingredients. This turned out really good. Oh, that's good. Well, I'll link to all the ingredients that I used in this that I made myself. Watch all of those videos and come back and make this, guys. Have a good day. I hope you are doing well. I'll see you on the next one.